Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Himanshu Mishra. Welcome to my channel Himanshu Podcast. Today we will see the basics of SQL, in which we will try to figure it out to find the table into the database in the PostgreSQL. So sometimes what happens, like we have a table name but we don't know like in which database it is. So in that case we have to search it out in the multiple databases, like in which database that my particular table is residing. So let's get started. So we have created one function in PostgreSQL. The function name is checkTableExist, and it is accepting like three parameters. One is the table name, that is the input parameter, and there are two output parameters: out database name and out table exist. This is of text type and this is of boolean type. In the next line, the return type of this function is record type, and the function starts from $. And in the next line, we are declaring a variable called record. This record variable will be used to store all the results, which we will be executing inside this loop. And in the next line, the program execution is starting with help of the begin keyword. So this is a for loop. It is starting from here and is starting from the line number 10, ending to the line number 10. So here what is happening, whatever the result is coming with help of this query, those will be recursively looped inside this for loop. So next here, this line, this format function, that within this, whatever query is written here, select exist and select one from information schema.table, where table schema not equals to information schema, and further conditions are there. So this line, this SQL query will be executed by the execute command. So this query will be keep on looking the particular table name that we are passing to this function in the current running database, like rec.datname. So entire thing will be happening dynamically using information schema dot table view, this one. So what will happen, like result of this exist query, this entire query will be stored inside this table exist variable. This is the table exist variable that we had parameterized over there, output parameter. Okay. And this %l specifier will be used to specify the database name, the current database name which is being fetched. So table catalog is nothing but the database or current database. Okay. And further this rec.datname is nothing but the database name which we are storing in the db name variable. Here is the db name variable. Okay, and next is the return next. Return next is nothing but this line is what it is doing, like it is storing the result of the db name and the table exist result into the particular row. So this thing keep on looping, keep on executing till this entire database is looped up. So this is the end of the function, and this is the end of the function, and this we specify with the help of the $. And this is the language that we are specifying. This code is written into the PLSQL. I mean PostgreSQL. So let's execute this function first. So this is our function. Let me execute this. So function executed successfully, and now I am just going to execute. I am going to find the employee table, like in which database it is present. So select star from check table exist. I am calling this function and I am passing my table name over here. So let me run it. So it is giving the list of all the databases and the table exist boolean expression. So as you can see, like all the databases are having the false, but one database called employee DB is showing true. Means my table is residing inside the employee database. So I can show you, let me show you the graphically also what is happening. Like there are multiple databases here, and here the employee DB, and there is a public schema. Inside this public schema, I have one table called employee. So this is how this function, with the help of this function and with the help of this SQL code, we can fetch the database in which our table is having. Sometimes we don't have the clue, like we have the table name, but generally we don't remember our database name, and frequently we have to search it out. Okay, this table, in how many databases this table is present. So this query will help. I hope this video is useful for you. So keep watching my YouTube channel and subscribe it. Thank you very much.